Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Snapchat crystal not showing. What are Snapchat crystals? Snapchat crystals are a form of virtual currency awarded to eligible creators who engage in payment-eligible activities on Snapchat. These activities can include creating popular content, participating in Snap Spotlight, and more. Once you receive crystals, you can cash them out for real money through the Crystals Hub in your profile. Now, how to fix Snapchat crystal not showing? If you're experiencing issues with crystals not showing up, follow these steps. First, check eligibility. Ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria for receiving crystals. Engage in payment eligible activities to earn them. Visit the Crystals Hub in your profile to see if you receive any crystals. Number 2, when you receive an award, it appears as pending in the Crystals Hub. It may take several hours for the push notifications to arrive. Once processed, the crystals will be available for cashing out. Number 3, troubleshoot connectivity. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Crystals may not show up if your connection is weak. So try to restart the Snapchat app to refresh the system and check if the crystals appear. The fourth way on how you can fix this is by checking for updates. Ensure that your Snapchat app is up to date. Sometimes outdated versions can cause issues. So update the application by going to your device app store. If you're using Android, go to Google Play Store and search for Snapchat app. Then if an update button shows up, just tap on update. Now review your notifications. Enable notifications for Snapchat to receive alerts about crystals. If you missed a notification, it could explain why your crystals aren't showing. The last one here to fix the issue is by contacting the support. If the issue persists, reach out to Snapchat support for further assistance. So that's it. That's how I basically fix the issue. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.